Have you ever had to replace your credit or debit card? At WalletFi, we make replacing a lost or stolen card fast and easy. WalletFi shows you who is charging that card, and you can update your payment information on the spot so your subscriptions never miss a beat. Remember what life was like before WalletFi? Morgan just received her new card in the mail. She starts by making a list of her subscriptions. Oh wait, that one was on your other card. Next, she combs through her bank statements. Wait, don't forget you put your annual Prime subscription on that account. Now, she has her list. All that's left is to sign into each service and update her payment information, one at a time. Finally, she's done. Now, she can sit back, relax, and binge the new season of, oh, guess she forgot that one too. But now when she receives her card in the mail, she downloads WalletFi. She can link WalletFi to her bank to automatically identify all of her subscriptions and recurring charges. WalletFi even picks up where you save your card online. To add her new card details to WalletFi, she can just scan it, then transfer the services she wants to her new card and cancel the ones she doesn't. Know who's charging you. Ask your bank about WalletFi.